Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look us up on our website at allthingsdrain.com. We got a call today for one of our customers in Bloomfield, Connecticut. He said that their 2 catch basins inside the road were backing up severely. We went ahead and we jetted this line, and we found out that someone had dumped all kinds of debris and dirt and wood chips and such right over the pipe. You can see how we have the water coming out of here, so we're going to dig up by hand and expose this line and jet everything out of here because it's all filled inside the line. Stay tuned, we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Welcome back. I'm standing at the same point that we were at last time, and as you can see here, we have a 12-inch drain. This drain stretches across, goes up, connects to these catch basins, slides into this line here, goes from here to that catch basin. Thank you for watching our video. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.